What's going on, guys? So this is day 2 of Mexico. I didn't want to do a lot of vlogging here just with the cars because I don't think that's enough. There's so much traffic. There's always so much going on in the city. It's kind of hard for that to really come through and show you the city and show you the cars and all that stuff. So I wanted to share with you guys a different experience today. Today, for the first time ever, I'm getting a private plane. This is the first time I'm going to charter a private plane. And my boy Tony, Italian Tony, is the one providing us with the plane, really. I invited Hookah, Nidol, everyone here. We're ready to go. What I wanted to do was I wanted to take the boys to Acapulco because they've never been and I haven't been in 15 years, which is a place by the beach, and just have some fun, have some lunch there and come back tonight. Let's do this! This is first class service. This is what I love about private planes, and the idea of it, you just get to park here and get on your plane right there, baby. Guys, I'm sorry the noise is so crazy. We gotta take an Instagram photo like everyone does, posing like it's their private plane, right? We gotta do it.
Question, do these private planes fly on the other side of the air like in Europe?
It doesn't work like that. Sorry everyone, yeah, sorry everyone.
We fly on the other side.
There we go, so we're finally on the plane. We got drinks going, we got some mezcal, hookah. Cheers, baby. Farghini, cheers. Buddy, cheers. This is living, people. So we're heading right now to Acapulco. Acapulco's gonna be like a 30-minute flight, is that right? And this is my first private plane flight, especially one with the boys couldn't be more memorable. Yeah. Tony's the one that's making it happen.
Tony's paying? Thank you, Tony.
But he's giving me a sweet discount. That's why we were able to. That's why we were able to get this plane.
Okay, got it. Okay, thank you, Tony, very much. And
but no. Thank you,
Legend.
Tony. Because without that, I wouldn't be able to do this. And I love doing this. Yeah.
This is incredible.
So for 30 minutes, we're gonna be flying to Acapulco. We're gonna be drinking. Once we get there, the entire mission is just to go have lunch and show these guys what's up in Acapulco. Because I need to show them where your boy got drunk, where your boy did 1 or 2, maybe just that one woman that one time. And you know,
I have a question. What happens if I launch the drone in the plane?
Nothing good. Nothing good. No.
I swear to God, I'm gonna behave.
Cheers, motherfucker. Cheers! Let me just say that on the way back, most likely, we're gonna be completely shit-faced. And if we are, I just want to apologize to everyone because it's not my intention to, for you guys to enjoy me.
It's always been your intention. It has.
Can I get 15 minutes with the plane alone?
What are you gonna do? Your Farghini wife?
I just want to bang out as many pictures from my various Tinder profiles.
We're already up in the air. It's fucking insanity up here. For those of you wondering, on a private plane, on a smaller plane, you do feel the air a lot more. The movements are a lot more, but it's way smoother at the same time. But for someone that gets motion sickness, you can only imagine what's going on through Farghini'S. The good news is the flight takes only 30 minutes from Toluca, which is where we started, all the way to Acapulco. Only 30 minutes, which is not bad at all. It's pretty much the takeoff. You get to stabilize a little bit and then you come down immediately. So it's a quickie. And that's why we're able to go eat quickly with these guys and enjoy. And also so that Nidol can get really, really drunk really, really fast before his woman knows that he's not in Mexico City, which we did not give her a heads up.
I know the feeling.
They just give me these notepad, and I'm supposed to do the manifesto. I'm supposed to write the manifesto. And that sounds a little dark already, because whenever someone writes a manifest, you know what that means. So you gotta write down everyone's names on the plane, on the flight. In case anything goes down, everyone knows who was on the flight. So this is just gonna be a practice run right now with the manifesto, and woo! This motherfucker's got a ladder tattoo on the back of his leg. I never saw that. Where were you when they were building the ladder to heaven?
It's got actually a great meaning. So I think life as a shoots and ladders game. So you want to be a ladder, and you have to surround yourself with ladders that help you get to the top to your goals. Snakes will try to pull you down, and if you land in a snake, you have to start over again. Avoid snakes, be a ladder, and like have ladders on your team.
I fucking love that. Wow.
Look at these ladders, baby.
Well, I kind of saw your balls, so. But yeah, the pool was great. Sorry, we're about to land. I just need that shot. Let's go. Acapulco. The best part is Farghini didn't throw up. Farghini no vomito. Quiet.
Who could just land in the plane?
I just landed the plane one-handed.
All I could think about, other than not throwing up, was I can't wait till we have our own plane.
I know, and that's what I'm telling Tony in Spanish. I said, Tony, this is great and all, but can we open this in the US, use the same planes, and set up the business up there? And he was like, let's look into it. Why not be partners with this and fly private?
That's incredible. And we can talk about the other business.
And this is how business opportunities are born. We're not, no. That has nothing to do with this. We're getting out. Gracias. Ahorita nos vemos. Beautiful Acapulco, baby. We're here. We made it. Oh, this has been incredible. Guys, you got it. I know it's not the same thing, but it kind of compares itself because, you know, we're just flying whatever we're flying. Yeah, dude, we just get out. You just get out. No security, nothing. And now you can just leave the airport just like that, baby. Don't ever stop doing anything because, you know, it feels too weird. It feels too out of your comfort zone. Just do it with your friends, dude. Nothing feels better than doing shit with people that you love. This doesn't feel better because it's more money because you're in a private plane. It feels good because it's with your boys and you get to be together in a small space and just basically shoot the shit, get drunk for 30 minutes with them and just share some memories and everything. It's like a road trip, but on a plane. I haven't been to Acapulco in 15 years. That's why I wanted to bring you guys here, because it's so epic. We're gonna go to a restaurant by the beach that the gentleman recommended. Pacos Nidal also recommended the place. It should be pretty fucking dope. I'm geeking out and I'm sorry if I get too, whoa, look at that change, because I get excited about that shit. I've got so many great memories from Acapulco. This is where I used to come whenever there was spring break, because you can drive here and just try to make out with as many girls as possible from America whenever your spring break was.
That's true.
Right?
That's true.
It's like the Mexican. It's the
STDs did you get here?
Not a single STD, Farghini.
No,
Not a single
wait.
STD.
So it's looking good for me.
Acapulco right now, you weren't partying when this came up, but there's a sun club, not a beach club, a sun club.
Everyone goes.
The best fucking shit. The hottest women, Mexican girls. I love Mexican girls. Some of the US girls, but in spring break, the view.
Well, when I lived in Mexico, I just wanted to get familiar with the girls from the US, if you will. But either way, we're here. No one's getting laid, especially not Farghini.
Hey,
as always.
Talk about yourself.
Okay.
I'm
Maybe hookah. All right, we made it. Look at this. Oh, buddy, is this your a good Acapulco experience or what?
I love this, man. I love this. I feel like I'm cheating on my wife right now by going on like an epic vacation. Right?
That's everything. That's everything. We used to come here when we were kids, and we used to get not fucked up because I didn't drink until I was 18. So And I swear to God, I'm not just saying that to say that. But we used to come here and just party like crazy, and it's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. This right here, this is a street dog. Yeah, that's right. So we don't have shelters and all that stuff that we have in America. It's not the same. This dog just lives here, and people just feed him and whatever. There's just not the same culture. There's not the same. No one has the time to really spread the word about neutering your pets and really just taking care of them. But they're so sweet. Look at him. I can spend 30 fucking hours with just this dude right here. My little dude. And he cries when you don't rub him anymore.
No llores.
Hey, look at the water coming all the way up here. I used to really hate the beach. I really did for a long time, and especially when I lived in LA. I didn't like it. I thought it was too dirty. God, I fucking love it. This is like the beach in any warm place is one of the most relaxing, amazing fucking spiritual place. I don't even know how to say it. I love this. And anyone can enjoy this. It doesn't matter what amount of money you have in your bank account as long as you're nearby or anything like that by a beach, obviously. Which is why I love people that live by the beach. They're so chill. They're very content and happy. People think everything is just about making more and more. Those people that can get content, happy, I salute you motherfuckers, because that's hard. All right, guys, I'm gonna cheers everyone right now. Cheers.
Fuck yeah.
Cheers. Cheers, baby. Yeah.
See, Farshad was scared.
Michelada Cubana, which is spicy michelada, baby. One of the greatest drinks that we have to offer the world. This right here is the fountain of life, people. Valentina. You get some Valentina. We don't have enough Valentina in the US. Yeah, we sell it in Mexican markets and here and there, but we don't have enough Valentina. Anything. If you grab chips and you crush them and put Valentina, game-changing, life-changing. Empanadas, Valentina. This right here, hot and spicy octopus.
Yes.
Wow.
This is honestly you being the fucking rock star of Acapulco in the 90s.
We all had one. We all had
There's
one.
a special way to make this nut.
I'm just kidding. Is it a
I'm
choker?
just gonna do it like quick. Now this screams to all the guys out there, hey, I'm single, bro.
You are the new black.
And then Farshad raises his hands. What a dick.
Sorry, Farshad.
Just like that, I'm gonna leave you guys. Whoa, that was amazing. Just coming back to Acapulco, even the smell just brings me back all the fucked up memories and all the great memories that I had here. And I mean fucked up, like we had a lot of fun, like the Hangover style kind of shit. So now Farghini, Buddy, Hookah, Tony, and myself, we're gonna head back to LA. Well, no. We're gonna head back to Mexico City. And I gotta be honest with you.
We can't go back to LA.
I'm gonna be honest with you. We're gonna go to Mexico City and we're gonna go party with this guy. Oof. I'm just gonna do it for an hour, baby. So if you're watching this, I wanna apologize. I love you. Just know that very respectful. Hookah knows what the?
How you doing, Elon Musk? How's the moon, motherfucker?
Buddy is getting the toques, which means you're getting electrocuted just a little bit. Just electrocuted a little bit, enough for it to hurt, and you be like, it's called toques. Come on. What am I doing? Look at his face. It hurts. Oh shit!
I can't let go. My hands won't let me let it go. Let me let it go. I can't let it go. My arms are working. It won't work.